In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blade on this Nissan Maxima. You'll have two of these located across the bottom of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to mention, whenever you're replacing your wiper blades, you want to be extremely careful. It is under spring pressure down along the hinged joint here, holding it up against the windshield. So when you do remove the wiper blade, make sure it does not hit up against the windshield. Now with that said, we're going to start removing the windshield wiper from the windshield wiper arm. Every wiper blade is going to be a little bit different. This one actually has a locking tab that we're going to dislodge using a small pocket screwdriver. For this, I'm just going to gently pry it out of place. Now at this point, I'm going to carefully take hold of this and we'll start pulling it straight towards the driver's side, removing it from the hooked end of the wiper arm. There we are. We're being very careful with that wiper arm. We can rest it against the windshield. And there it is, friend. Now just a quick inspection of the wiper arm to confirm it's not rotted, weak, or damaged. And we can prepare to install our brand new wiper blade. To install the wiper blade, we want to come from the driver's side and we're going to start bringing the adapter for the wiper blade into the hooked end of the wiper arm. Press it towards the passenger side, listen for a click, and give it a tug towards the driver's side, confirming it's properly locked in so it does not come off while you're driving down the road. Gently rest it against your windshield and repeat the process for your other side wiper blade. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and hop in the passenger compartment, test the functionality, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.